Finally, Russia made a vaccine for COVID-19. But what will it be called though? I have a guess that it will be called Putin C. Hi, on this video, I'm gonna give tips and tricks on how to speed up your Android phone. Let's go! A quick disclaimer lang no, this video is for Android users only, and I'm gonna be using my Galaxy S10 as a sample for this video. Ito ay tips and tricks lamang para bumilis ng konti ang mga phones ninyo. Kung hindi man maging effective itong video na ito para sa inyo, ay baka kailangan nyo na yun palitan or baka kailangan nyo na mag-upgrade. O di kaya galito nakaluma ang mga phones ninyo. For those of you who doesn't know, this is the Samsung Galaxy Mini from 2011. And this is the Sony Xperia Neo V from 2011 also. Kung galito na siguro kaluma ang mga Android phones nyo, baka kailangan nyo na talagang palitan yan. Pero kung isa kayo sa mga taong nag-aantay pa ng maganda o tamang phone para sa inyo, o di kaya kinulang lang ng konti sa budget, panoorin itong video na ito. Tip number 1. Uninstall apps that you don't need and apps that are running in the background. So medyo basic ito no, uninstall nyo lang yung mga apps na hindi nyo ginagamit or yung mga doble-doble na apps. And magtira lang kayo ng isa doon sa mga doble na apps. And usually, phones comes with bloatware. Sai? Ano nga ba yung bloatware? Bloatware is a software that comes pre-installed by mobile carriers or manufacturers. These are value-added apps that might make your phone slower or sluggish. Sabi mo kanina, yung apps running in the background. Paano namin hanapin yun? Okay, ganito nyo lang yun hanapin. Go to settings, then scroll down until you find the about phone. Tap it and look for the build number. Pag nahanap nyo na yung build number, tap it 7 times until it says you are now a developer. Some phones might ask you to enter your password on the 7th try. So just enter your password. Then go back to the main menu of the settings. Then find the new settings called Developer Options. But keep in mind to follow only what will I teach you. Kasi one little change on the developer options could drastically affect your phone. Do your research first before changing anything aside from what will I tell you. So once you're in the developer options, go and look for the running services. Tap it and see what apps might eat up your RAM and make your phone slower. As you can see here, I'm not using TubeMate, but it is still running in the background, so I should force stop it. Ganun din gagawin nyo pag may nakita kayong app dyan na hindi nyo naman ginagamit o hindi nyo naman binubuksan aside from apps that has Google services and Android on the name. Go and force stop it. Tap nyo lang yung app, then click stop. Moving on. Tip number 2. Dito pa rin tayo sa running services settings. Kung makikita nyo, nasa 200 MB ang kinakain sa RAM ko itong Facebook Messenger na app. Malakas talaga ito kumain sa RAM. So what I want you to do is go and turn off the chat heads on the Messenger app para kahit papano mabawasan ng konti yung kinakain niyang RAM tuwing binubuksan mo yung app or may mag-chat sa inyo. To do that, go to your Messenger app and on the upper left corner, you can see your profile icon. Click that and locate the chat head and turn it off. Lastly, tip number 3. This is actually my favorite tip. I do this to all of my Android phones. Going back to the developer options, go and look for these 3 settings. Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. So, ganito yun. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay kung gaano kabilis o kabagal ang effects and transitions ng phones. At transitions on opening and closing the app. Basically, transitions. What I want you to do is to tap on the Windows animation scale. And as you can see there, it is set to 1x on default. Go ahead and change that to 0.5x or times 0.5. Then move to the transition animation scale. Go ahead and change it again to 0.5x. And do the same thing to the animator scale. As you use the phone, you'll now notice a difference on the speed of the transitions. You can set that to no animations kung gusto nyo naman ng mas mabilis. It's totally your call, but I set mine to 0.5x. Bonus tip, You can also install a light launcher to your phone, like Nova Launcher. Just head over to Play Store and search for Nova Launcher. You don't have to get the Prime version, just get the free one. And install nyo yun and set nyo yun as your default launcher, because it's a lot lighter than your normal launcher. Unless you're using a stock Android phone or close to stock Android phone, okay lang, wag mo nang install. Light launcher or close to stock Android launchers are OnePlus and Realme. Okay, you guys are all set. If this video helped you, leave a like down below. Subscribe rin kayo. I am Cyril and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Ang init!